About some songs. Gotta throw in my favorite Spidey song.
Okay, this water might be a little too cold actually.
Can you heat it?
I don't think so. It is 3:30, 3:40 in the morning. I am packing up the car and about to hit the airport. I will see you guys there. So now I am at the airport. My flight leaves in a little under an hour. So I guess I'm just about to kick it. I'm excited. Is the screen greasy? I don't think so. It should be cool. Just checked my lens and it was greasy. It's 6:40. That's an estimated guess. My flight leaves at 6:30. Wait a minute. It's 5:40. My flight leaves at 6:30. This is a short flight. About 2 hours, I believe. I'm gonna listen to an audiobook recommended by my father. And then for my second flight, which is about 4 hours, 4.5, I believe, something anywhere around those time. At that time, I'm gonna watch some movies. Probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna do something. You dig? Just made it to Baltimore. About to go find my gate. I have exactly an hour before my second flight. I believe exactly an hour. Okay, an hour and 20 minutes. My gate is not over here. Oh wait, that's I forgot I was supposed to check my gate again because I couldn't remember if it was A7 or A27. It's A5. I found my gate. It's down there. I'm gonna find me some food. First I'm using the restroom. Then I'm gonna find me some food. Actually, what time is it? Because it might be a little, oh, baby. If I could bring Chipotle on this flight, it's a wrap. It's actually a bowl, but you get it. See you guys later.
License will be passed out as needed in an emergency.
This is my friend Juan. He picked me up from the airport. Thank you so much for dropping me off. I appreciate it so much. You have a good one. I think she's coming down. This man said I owe him 800 pesos, but I only got a $5 bill on me. Today's my first full day in Mexico. So I'm just, you know, feeling it out. That's what today is gonna be about. Getting the vibes, tasting food, and no set direction. It's like for the past 15-20 minutes, I've been aimlessly walking these streets of Playa del Carmen, and it's just relaxing more than anything for me. I'm still getting used to working this GoPro. I'm having a lot of fun with it actually. Everyone who knows me knows I'm trash at directions. And so I found this spot that I wanted to eat at. Hola. I found this spot that I wanted to eat at. And yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep walking. Like, just see what else I find. Cause I'm sure I'm gonna find something else that I'm gonna wanna try. And I don't even remember what was around that place. It's crazy. So one thing that keeps happening is if I want cocaine and some other drugs. Down below, comment if you guys know what Charlie is. I was asked if I wanted some Charlie, and I don't even know what that is. But if y'all know, educate me, please, and thank you. Tried bachata for the first time. Pretty good. Two of these for $120. Gracias.